Welcome to Expertisium Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us see a term called as a single cord Kanban. In a single cord Kanban scheduling system, a signal Kanban cord is taken from the Kanban location once a defined minimum stock quantity has been reached. The cord is then, for example, placed on a Kanban board, signaling the need for a stock replenishment order. The supplier process responsible for the replenishment of the Kanban location schedules its production based on the Kanban board and replenishes the Kanban location. The minimum stock quantity that signals or triggers the replenishment request needs to assure that the remaining on-hand inventory is sufficient until the replenishment stock arrives and is based on the average consumption fluctuation, and replenishment lead time. A single cord Kanban system could, for example, be used to prevent coffee Cape cups stock out. First, based on average consumption and order fulfillment lead time, minimum stock would be determined. Let us assume that would be a little bit less than one box of cups. Then a Kanban cord would be attached to the last box in the inventory. As soon as an employee opens the last box, he removes the signal Kanban cord and orders a predetermined number of cups boxes as defined in the Kanban cord, or places the cord in a predefined location to trigger the replenishment process. Thanks for watching. Bye.